Chippa United. Now to Mabasa. Saleng. Mabasa Saleng with a burst of pace. Mabasa says, I got the ball. Referee said, you got the man as well. And it is a penalty kick for Orlando Pirates late in the first half. Olani Kwinda was sure about it, ran immediately to point to the spot.
Of course, a lot of question marks, and we'll still have the opportunity to see it once more. And for a second, I thought Modise got to the ball.
Yeah. Ooh.
The question
Every
is
time I view it, I change my opinion.
It's like it doesn't get the ball initially, but actually he hacks Saleng in the process before his foot landed on the ball. Oh, that's a close one. But you know what? I think Kwinda got it right. Debatable, whichever way you scrutinize it. Yes. If he gets the ball initially, then I would say no. But I think he got the player first and then the ball.
Top goal scorer in the Premiership last season, Mabasa. 6 goals for Swallows, 10 for Orlando Pirates after joining them midway through the campaign. Beat Stanley Nwabali from the penalty spot in the most recent meeting between these two sides. It came in early May. An opportunity to put Orlando Pirates back on terms here.
Well, just before the break. What a time to score. That is if you'll score.
Mabasa sends the goalkeeper the wrong way, scores on match day 1 for the 3rd season in succession, and Orlando Pirates are level heading into the half-time interval.
Listen, the more I look at it, I can't help but think Kwinda got it right. For me, is yes, he eventually gets to the ball on the second attempt, but the first attempt, it was to the legs of Saleng. Good goal, great penalty.
Disguised his intentions very well, and then tucked that in the bottom left-hand corner. And Orlando Pirates have parity heading into the break. A former Buccaneer, Andile Jali, with the opener, Kwanele Gopo. Well, this will be, I guess, fairly familiar, taking umbrage with something in a game against Orlando Pirates. He doesn't believe that the penalty should have been awarded for that tackle by Modise on Saleng, but Olani Kwinda was. Hotto. Noluleki, Hotto again. Big men are still up there. Oh! Mabasa Saleng has won it for Orlando Pirates. It's come via his head, can you believe it?
Most probably the smallest player in that space at the time. But it's about understanding the need of the hour. I mean, I told you about that. He stopped playing wide, he's more narrow. And how he finds himself there. Look at how the defender puts him on here. And he cuts in front of the defender. Ball watching is the rest of the central 2 defenders. That's how they got caught. But give it to Hotto, who delivered beautifully into the part of Saleng.
Well, in fact,
Radio Pano was there as well.
Yeah, just moments before he nodded that in, he had glanced over his shoulder to see if he was onside. If Modise was playing him onside, he was. And it is Saleng to the rescue again.
This is a steal. It's a great, there's a smash and grab by Orlando Pirates. This game is like 2 minutes into additional time. But this is how great teams basically are able to come out with wins like this. They continue to believe, but the reaction speed for me is the legs that didn't carry. It's the alertness of the defenders basically that fails Chippa at this time. The movement, the